Are you thinking about using Toggl for your accounting needs? Well, before you make that decision, here are 12 things you absolutely need to know. We'll take a closer look at what Toggl offers and how it compares to competitors, so you can make an informed choice. First off, Toggl is known for its simplicity and user-friendly interface. Unlike other accounting tools, it focuses on time tracking rather than full-fledged accounting features. If you're looking for a tool to track billable hours or project management tasks, Toggl's intuitive setup is hard to beat. The second thing to know is its flexibility. Toggl offers both a free version and a paid plan. While the free plan covers basic time tracking, the paid version unlocks advanced reporting features. But, compared to some other tools, the paid version can feel a bit pricey for what you get, especially when others offer more comprehensive accounting features at a similar or lower price. Next thing, Toggl's integrations. It supports a wide variety of third-party apps, from project management tools like Trello and Asana to popular platforms like QuickBooks for accounting. This is a huge advantage over some of the more specialized tools that don't integrate as seamlessly with your existing workflows. The fourth thing is its reporting features. Toggl allows you to generate detailed reports on time spent, which can be useful for clients or internal analysis. But if you're looking for advanced financial reporting, such as profit and loss statements, Toggl may not be your best bet. Other accounting tools like FreshBooks offer more comprehensive financial reports. Now let's talk about Toggl's mobile app. The mobile experience is smooth, allowing you to track time on the go. However, some users feel that the mobile app could benefit from more features, like expense tracking, which other accounting apps offer. This can be a limitation if you need more from your mobile solution. The sixth thing you should know is that Toggl works well for freelancers and small businesses, especially those who charge clients based on time worked. The ability to create billable rates is convenient, but if your business needs features like invoicing or payroll, Toggl doesn't fully support that. Competitors like QuickBooks offer these features natively. Next thing, Toggl's support is generally solid. They offer live chat, email support, and a comprehensive knowledge base. However, some users report that response times can be slower compared to other major platforms. So, if you need fast help, be prepared for some wait times. The eighth thing to consider is Toggl's reporting on time entry. The tool provides insights into how your time is spent, but it may require a bit of manual input to get fully accurate data. Some alternatives automate this process more effectively, especially when it comes to tracking time based on calendar events or deadlines. Now, let's talk pricing. While Toggl has a free plan, the paid version starts to add up quickly if you need multiple users or more advanced features. Other tools like Harvest or Clockify offer similar time tracking capabilities, but come with more cost-effective plans for teams. The 10th thing is Toggl's project management capabilities. You can create tasks, assign them to team members, and track progress. But if you need advanced task management features like Gantt charts or resource allocation, Toggl falls short compared to project management focused tools like Monday.com or Rike. The 11th thing you should know is Toggl security. It offers encryption, so your data is safe, but its security measures aren't as robust as some of the more enterprise-focused accounting platforms like Xero, which provide additional layers of protection for sensitive financial data. The final thing to consider is Toggl's scalability. While it's perfect for small teams or freelancers, large organizations may find it lacking in the advanced features required for more complex accounting needs. If your business grows, you might eventually need to switch to a more comprehensive solution. Toggl is definitely a good option if you're focused on time tracking and simple reporting, especially for freelancers or small teams. But if you need a more complete accounting solution with invoicing, payroll, and advanced financial reports, there are better options available. If you're looking for a more robust tool, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.